Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to make Cash App landing page in Google Site. So let's get started. To create a Cash App style landing page using Google Sites, first go to Google Site website and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on the plus blank button to start a new site. At the top of the page, give your site a name such as Cash Out Bitcoin and edit the header to add a title like Cash App Bitcoin to Cash. On the right side, click on the Insert tab to start adding content. Use the text box to write simple instructions or details about your service. You can also upload images like Cash App screenshots and add a button that says something like Sell Now or Get Started. To make the site look cleaner, click on the Theme tab and choose a style that fits well with a green or black color scheme, similar to Cash App. Once everything looks good, click Publish at the top right corner, set your website address, and click Publish again. Your landing page is now live and ready to share. And that's it, you are done.